Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to improve audio quality on Spotify. Spotify does not currently offer true lossless or hi-fi audio for all users. However, you can still enhance your listening experience using the available settings. To start, open your Spotify app and go to your profile. Go to Settings and Privacy, then scroll down. Scroll until you find the option called Media Quality. From here, set all available quality options to High K. If you have Spotify Premium, you can set it to very high as well. After that, go back and open the playback settings. Scroll down until you find the equalizer option and enable it. Once enabled, you can adjust the sound frequencies to your preference. You can choose a preset or manually tweak the bass, treble, and mids to customize the audio output. And that's it. We just learned that Spotify does not currently support lossless audio. However, you can set the highest available quality and use the equalizer to customize the sound. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.